Piggy and Swan noises.
My favourite bread, obviously, naan bread.
That's a lie, and you know it. A lot of shit has happened in 2016, which was awful.
It's slightly surreal, but really good.
I'm not an amazing cameraman.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
So basically now we have to push the mattress
1,
up the
2,
stairs.
3.
Tom, have a Solero.
What do I get? I got a tentacle! I don't have one of those. Yay!
I don't want to be in a video of me in a jar. What's the drink in, Odette? A jar. It's in a jar.
No,
I don't know where to begin. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna begin by buttering. Because I'm very jealous. Jesus, and it's like a line.
Odette.
Yes. Something. So I was too bad to win the goldfish. So then I paid for the goldfish with a tank and fish food. And it's misleading because they gave me a pot of fish food this big. But the goldfish only lasted for a week. Is it working? Is it working? Move yourself. There you go. Oh, it didn't work. After having you go back like that,
Excellent.
we're on a train and it is so hot. It's like an oven. Are you a witch, Odette? What? Are you a dark and sexy witch? I am dark and sexy.
Did you forget to turn it on again?
You know what happened last time? She strangled me.
Goodbye, Jet! I'll never forget you! Well, you're looking very salty today, aren't you? Get it? See you salty.
You should get Jazzy's because then you get hypnotized. When you get hit. Pokemon, gotta catch up. Oh yeah, my guy is so swaggy.
Watch me put it on. Oh my god, that's so sick. It might not go over. I am not sure that look is fucking huge yet. We're about to go in. It's so exciting. That's Jed's excited face.
You figured out how to change feet again?
No, not yet. Jesus!
No, no, no.
No,
Wait
no,
for the
no,
car.
no.
Wait for the car. Wait for the ball. Wait for the ball.
What's happened, guys? Well, we got on a bus, and then we got off the bus. We sat at the bus stop, got off that bus, and then we tried to get a bus over there, and the guy drove past us, as that wasn't the right bus. So now we're sat at this bus stop.
Okay, Jed.
I've never had sourdough bread that's sour.